So here's how you can write description for your gig on Fiverr. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any of the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is to open up the browser in which you have your Fiverr account. Type in Fiverr. Now click into the first link as it will be of the official website of Fiverr, obviously. Then you're going to open another tab and open Fiverr in it also. Now you have 2 tabs with Fiverr open in it. You need to switch to your selling dashboard on the second tab. Open up your profile and then open the gig you want to change description of. Now move back to the first tab and copy-paste your gig title into the search box. Then open Top 5 Gigs in new tabs. Now, open up the description area for each gig and create an idea of how did they wrote their description. Now, as I've read their descriptions, I noticed 3 things in most of them. 1. They ask a question from the visitor in the start, which will make it more interesting. 2. They've created a list for details instead of paragraphs, which is more easy to read. 3. They've encouraged the client to contact them right now, by which it will be easy for the gig holders to engage them to place an order. Now, keeping these things in mind, start writing your own description. You can copy some of their lines, but do not copy the whole description, or your gig will be removed by Fiverr. Once you're finished writing your gig description, reread your whole gig description to find out if you made any mistake. After you're done with this process, click on Save and Preview. Congratulations, you've now written the description for your Fiverr gig.